Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susie, and if you are new here, this video is going to be a practice hand lettering video. This is where I create a video of hand lettering practice. I choose a group of words and leave the prompts on the screen for you to join in with me, and I leave this video in real-time lettering. So today's word prompts are words about friendship, and I am using Tombow dual brush pens. I thought maybe I would use a few more colors, but I ended up only using 2. And I am also using a notebook that is not new to me, but that I have not used too much recently. I will try to find the link for it and leave it in the description box below, but a company actually sent it to me quite a while ago, and it has very smooth paper, and it is kind of like a traveler's notebook, kind of like a soft cover bullet journal size. I'm not sure the exact size, but I will leave the details that I can find in the description box below. I don't want to misspeak, but it is dot grid and it's very, very smooth. So I loved it for using brush pens. I think that I wasn't using it too much because I was thinking maybe I needed to use it for like dip pen calligraphy, but I grabbed it for doing these videos and I ended up really liking it. So I will be looking up the details for myself and I will leave them in the description box below if you are curious as well. Now with these Letter With Me videos, you don't have to use the brush pen I'm using. I am using a Tombow dual brush pen, and sometimes depending on pacing, you may enjoy using a brush pen the same size as me. For example, if you are just using a pencil, you might be lettering quite a bit more quickly than I am, but you definitely don't have to, and you don't even have to make your lettering look like mine. It doesn't have to be brush calligraphy. It's just kind of a way for me to give you prompts to practice your hand lettering and something to practice along with. And so this video is about 10 minutes, and my hope is that you will get 10 minutes of practice in today, whether you want to do it just today, or you want to do it every day this week, or you want to do it Monday, Wednesday, Friday, whatever works well for you. I want practicing to be something that's fun and enjoyable and not super stressful. So that is what I hope this video helps you to accomplish, and I hope that by the end of the week, if you are doing this multiple days, that you see an improvement at the end of the week in your hand lettering. If you are doing this, I would love to see your work. Feel free to tag me over on Instagram at howtohandletter. So yeah, if you do share it, make sure to tag me over there. And I usually am posting in my Instagram stories. Sometimes it's hand lettering, sometimes it's watercolor, sometimes it's homeschool, sometimes it's the garden. I try to keep it just a fun place to be and not something super stressful. So if you are curious, you can find me at How to Hand Letter. So there are several minutes left in this video. I won't talk through the whole thing, but if you are using a Tombow dual brush pen and you are struggling with it, I will link some tutorials on using a Tombow dual brush pen for hand lettering in the description box below. I will say that one important thing with Tombow brush pens, in my experience, is I think it's really important to use a nice and smooth paper. It doesn't have to be this one. I most often use HP Premium paper when I am using loose leaf paper. That's typically what you see me using. I like the 32 pound, but I have used the 24 in the past as well, and also in videos. Unless it's in a notebook, that's usually what I am using, unless I happen to be out or something, or I'm using like a completely different tool, like I'm doing watercolor or something. But when it comes to using delicate brush pens, I just really like that paper. I think it's nice and smooth. But I will leave a link for my favorite hand lettering supplies in the description box below. I have an Amazon list sort of thing, like in my Amazon storefront, that's just a lot of my hand lettering favorites. I know a lot of people ask about that, so I will link that in the description box below, and I will let you continue on practicing with the music here. Thank you so much for joining me in today's lettering practice. Let me know if you have any requests for themes or words in the comments below, and I hope this is helpful for you, and I will see you in my next one. Have a great day.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Doesn't feel like it was long ago. We were head over heels in love, thought it'd last forever, but somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize what was wrong with me